In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML code to your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Adding custom HTML can be a powerful way to personalize your website beyond the basic features provided by Weebly. Whether you're looking to embed a form, add a widget, or tweak the styling, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Weebly dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Weebly account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you should see your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all aspects of your site. Remember, being familiar with where things are on your dashboard can greatly enhance your efficiency in website management. After locating your dashboard, the next step is to click on the website you wish to edit. This action will bring up all relevant options for that specific site. Make sure you are on the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. Clicking on the right site ensures that you will be making changes to the intended website. Now that you're in the right place, proceed to click on Edit Site. This option will directly take you into the Weebly site editor where the magic happens. The site editor is a bit like your creative playground. Here you can drag and drop different elements and customize them to your liking. Once you're inside the site editor, look towards the Elements options. To get a full range of choices, you need to click on Show All Elements. This will reveal a comprehensive list of various elements you can use to build your site. Having access to all elements might be key if you're planning to do extensive customization. With all elements visible, locate the Embed Code widget. This is your gateway to adding custom HTML. Click on it, then drag it to the section of your web page where you want your custom code to appear. Dragging and positioning it correctly can ensure that the new HTML content is integrated seamlessly with the rest of your page. Once the embed code element is on your page, click on it to bring up the editing options. From here, you'll want to select Edit Custom HTML. This will provide you with a blank slate to enter your HTML code. Think of this as your canvas where you can add any custom scripts or functionalities that the default editor doesn't offer. Now input your desired HTML code. This is the step where your content comes alive. Double check for accuracy to avoid any syntax errors which could prevent your code from running correctly. Finally, once you've entered your code to satisfaction, you're all set. Your custom HTML is now integrated into your Weebly website. Congratulations on successfully adding custom HTML to your Weebly site. With this newfound skill, you can enhance your